There are some important dates to keep in mind for reporting on targets using the Sendai Monitor. Data for targets A to E from the previous calendar year are due on the 31st of March every year. These targets are related to certain SDG indicators, and data entered into the Sendai Monitor are then forwarded for input into the annual SDG reports. Meanwhile, data for targets F and G from the previous calendar year are reported by 1st of October every year. For example, in the year 2020, you will be required to report data from the previous calendar year 2019. Thus, data for targets A to E from 2019 would be reported on the system by 31st of March 2020, while data for targets F and G from 2019 would be reported by the 1st of October 2020. Data can be entered or modified on the monitor system at any time, including after these dates. However, information submitted after the required dates will mean that the data is not included in global reporting for that cycle. However, the information will be included in the overall assessment of data at the end of the Sendai framework in 2030 and can be used by member states in running analysis of their data on the system and generating ad hoc reports.